with you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Welcome for another new video, guys. As you can see in the thumbnail, today we are going to make your terminal look 100% beautiful. So before starting the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be surprised in the future videos. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. Okay, so now I am in my Windows 11 virtual machine. So first we are going to customize the Windows terminal. So if you are a Windows 11 user, you have defaultly pre-installed your you have pre-installed your Windows terminal, so you don't need to install it again. So to open your terminal, just press Windows key and then type terminal, so it will open, as you can see. So if you are a Windows 10 user, I am going to show you how to install it. So if you are a Windows 10 user, to install Windows terminal in your computer, you need to first press Windows key and then you need to type store. Actually, we need to open Microsoft Store. So let's open it. And in here, you need to type developer tools and then terminal. If I hit enter, as you can see, the first result is Windows terminal. So we need to install this first one, not the Windows terminal preview. So if you click here, there will be a download install button. So if you click that, it will download it and install in your computer. So currently I have my terminal installed in my Windows 10 computer, so I don't have to install it again. So let me close this. I am going to change the color theme of this terminal. As you can see, the color theme currently we have is very ugly and dull. So to change the color theme, you can click this button. Actually it's a drop down, you can click it and then you have to go to settings, and in here, let me make this full screen, and in here you can go over to Windows PowerShell, and in there you need to go to the additional settings section and then click on appearance, and in here, as you can see, there are some color schemes. So to change one, you can click on this drop down and then you can select one. So as example, if I click one dark half and go to PowerShell, you can see nothing has changed. So you need to save this first. So click on this save button, and after that, if I go again to my PowerShell, you can see the theme is changed. We don't have that dark black color now because we change it to one dark half. So if you look closely, you can see there are only few themes here. So to add one, first you need to open your web browser. In my case, it's this. So in here, you need to type Windows terminal themes, and if I hit enter, you can see I'm having some results. So in these results, you need to click on this first link which says Windows Terminal Themes. All the links are in description, so don't worry, you can go to description and go to this site. Okay, So in here you can see there are many color schemes. So there are actually many color schemes. So let's select one. I'm going to select Ergonaut. I don't know how to spell it. Ergonaut. Anyway, I have selected that theme, and to add this theme to your terminal, just minimize your browser, and in here you need to click on this open JSON file button. So if I click it, it will ask me how do you want to open this file. So I'm going to tick this, always use this app to open JSON files. I'm going to select Notepad in here. So if you don't have Notepad in here, just click on that more apps button and then select Notepad and hit OK. So you can see some weird file has been appeared in our Notepad, so don't worry. So if you look closely in this file, you can find some actually you can find a section called schemes. So in this scheme section you can see there are themes. So there are a theme called Campbell. Let me make this a bit bigger. Campbell. In this scheme section you can see there is a theme called Campbell, and there is another theme called Campbell PowerShell, and there is also another one which is One Dark Half, and you can see every theme in that list has been here. So to add another one, you can go over to bottom of this schemes, and in this and in the bottom you can, I think you can see, yeah, in the bottom of these schemes you have to find this bracket, and after that bracket you need to add a comma and then hit enter and go over to browser, and then in the browser you need to select a theme. In my case it is this theme, and you need to click on this get theme button, and you can see the site is telling Ergonaut theme has been copied to clipboard. So just press Ctrl V in here. So what you have to do, I'm repeating it. So you have to find out this bracket. Actually it's a curly bracket, the last one, the last bracket, and then you have to add the comma in here and then hit enter and then paste that theme which we get by clicking get theme button. Okay, first we need to save this file, so press Ctrl S, and if I go over to my terminal settings again, in here I am going to PowerShell, and then let me see, you can see there is a color theme, a new color theme which is Ergonaut. So if I select that and hit save, you can see our PowerShell has been changed to that Ergonaut theme. So you can see our theme is a different one. So we have successfully added another theme to our PowerShell. Okay, let me close the settings. So now we are going to change this prompt of this PowerShell. So you can see the default one is very ugly because it's actually I don't like this default one. So let's change it. Okay, so we are going to customize this prompt by installing a shell prompt called Starship. So before installing Starship, we have some pre-requirements. So let's see them. So open your favorite web browser. In my case, it's this browser, and then you need to type starship.rs. So as always, link is in the description. So you can scroll down and click on that link and go to this site. And then in here you need to click on this get started button, and at the corner of this site you can see some menus and submenus. So in here in the guide section you need to go to click on installation, and in here you can see step 1 is installing Starship. So in here you need to click on this Windows text, so it will show you some options. So actually to install Starship on a computer we need to have a package manager. So even it's Windows, there are some package managers. So there are Scoop, Chocolatey and others. So in this case I am going to select Scoop. So open another tab on your browser and then search for scoop.sh. So if you are, as always, the link is in the description, so you can scroll down and go to this site. So in here you can see it's showing some commands in the quick start. So you need to run these 2 commands to install Scoop package manager. So just copy the first command, and actually let's copy, and then just open the PowerShell window and then paste it and hit enter. So you can see nothing happened. So if you are a Windows 10 user, you need to press Windows button and then search for PowerShell and open a PowerShell and paste it, or even if you are even a Windows 10 user, you can just paste these 2 commands in the Windows terminal window which we opened and customized. So I have run the first command, so you can see nothing happens, but I'm going to run the second command too. So let's copy it and then go to the terminal and let's paste it and hit enter. So it's going to download Scoop package manager, so it will take some time. So while it's installing, let me minimize this. Let's go to Starship again. So you can see it's telling us to install a nerd font. So we also need a nerd font for use Starship, otherwise the icons will be not appear. So let me click on that again. Oh yes, let me click on that nerd font redirect link. So if you click that, you will come to a website like this. So as always, the link is in the description, so scroll down and go to this website. So in here you need to select on this downloads. So there are many fonts here. So my favorite font is, let me scroll down and see. Yeah, is it?
5 minutes later.
Okay, this is my favorite font, which is, I don't know how to spell it. Cascadia Cove Nerd font. So this is my favorite one. So it's even in the info section, it's telling a fun new monospaced font that includes programming ligatures and is designed to enhance the modern look and feel of the Windows terminal. So you need to actually you can download any of these fonts, but let's download Cascada Cove Nerd font. So just click download button, it will download it. So select a location. I am selecting downloads and I am going to save it. So you can see it has been downloaded. So let's extract it. So I'm just going to right click and select extract all and just press extract. So it will extract the files, actually the font files. So you need to install those font files. So to install those, you can select all of them and then right click. So if you are a Windows 10 user, just press on install all for all users. So if you are a Windows 11 user like me, you need to select all of them and you need to go for show more options and then you need to click on this install for all users. So it's going to install these fonts to all users of this computer. Okay, it has been installed. So let's close those file explorer windows and then let's go to Windows terminal again. So you can see it's telling Scoop was successfully installed. I think you can see. Okay, let me clear the terminal by entering clear command. And let's go to Min browser again. Let's go to web browser again. Sorry. Let's close those unnecessary windows. So let me close Scoop and Nerd Font. And in here, again in Starship website, you need to copy this Scoop install Starship command. So as always, the command is in the description. So you can copy it and paste it over here. I'm going to type it. So let's type Scoop install Starship. Sorry. Okay, I have typed it. So let's hit enter and see what's going to be happen. So it's Scoop is telling installing Starship. So it's going to download and extract the Starship. Okay, it's telling Starship has been successfully installed. So let's clear this. Okay, so even we installed Starship, this prompt is exactly the same one as before. So let me clear. Okay, so to change this, let me scroll down and you can see in the step 2 it's telling this, it's showing some sub menus. So you need to click on this PowerShell one. So if you click that, you can see it's showing a command actually. So we need to add this command to our PowerShell profile. So to open our PowerShell profile, you need to first type $sign and then profile, and if you hit enter, you can see it's showing a path to us. So just open a file explorer and then go over to this path. So C user, actually let's go to this PC, C drive and then users, and then my username is user, and let me go there, and then you need to go over to, let me make this bit bigger, document section, and in here you can see there is nothing in there. So let's create a folder called Windows PowerShell. So you need to type Windows PowerShell in here. S is capital PowerShell. Yeah, Windows PowerShell, and open that folder, and in there create a blank file called as let me show you a trick to do this. If you are even a Windows 10 or 11 user, just go to view and then go to show and then tick this file name extension option. Okay, once you open that, once you select that option, just go to new and then click on new text document, and in here you can see it's generated as a new text document. So click Ctrl and A and then delete key and then type Microsoft dot PowerShell underscore profile dot ps1 and hit enter, and it's going to show us a warning. Tell yes, actually click yes, and then open this in a notepad, and in here let me minimize those things. Just paste this command, just paste it and save it, and then close the file. And actually let's close the terminal and open it again and see it's gonna work or not. So terminal, so you can see that shell prompt has been changed to another one. So I think you guys can see that. So this before prompt which we had was ps and then that random, actually that path. So now we have something like this. So this is not what I am going to do. I am going to make this more beautiful. So I am not going to teach you how to do that, but you can actually I am giving you a file as a gift. Actually I am giving you my terminal config, so through GitHub. It's actually, let me teach how to configure it to you guys by reading this manual. So you need to go to configuration tab in that Starship website, and you can see they are step by step explaining how to customize your prompt, actually customize your Starship prompt. So you can see it's there are some options to show the git status through your PowerShell, and even you can, I think you can let me find it. Yeah, actually you can also, if you are using a laptop, you can also display your battery capacity in your terminal too. So anyways, I am going to give you guys my terminal configuration which I have written by myself. So before doing that, we need to create this .config to create that starship.toml file. So to do that, just again go to your PowerShell, and then let me ls those, let me make this full screen. Yeah, okay. So you can see there is a folder called .config. So let's go to .config. So if you don't know these terminal commands, I have done a video about Linux terminal, but this is Windows terminal, but some commands are exactly same in those actually in both operating systems, just like CD and mkdir, they are same in, but not same in everything, actually not same in command prompt, but you can just watch that video, and you can also learn those commands. So just type cd.config, and you can see we are in the .config file. So let me show you guys how to download my terminal configuration which I am giving you guys as a gift. Okay, so to get that gift which I have given to you guys, you need to open your favorite web browser again, and then you need to open a new tab, and in here you need to type github.com/himath/my terminal config. So it's a very long link, So as always, the link is available in the description, so you can scroll down and click on that link and go to my GitHub repository which I have created. So let's hit enter and go to that GitHub repository. So welcome to my GitHub repository, guys. So you can see I have created a GitHub repository called as my terminal config. So the important file for us is this starship.toml file. So we need to download it. So you need to click on this green color code button, and if you click that, you can see it will show you some options. So you need to click on this last option which says download zip. So just click that, and then you need to give it a path. So I'm giving downloads as my path. So let's click save, and you can see it has been downloaded. So let's open it. So it's again a zip file, so we need to extract it. So right click and select extract. Just select extract again. So it will extract the file, and you need to open that file, and you can see there is a file called as starship.toml. So if I open this in Notepad to actually show you guys, you can let me open it again. You can see I have wrote some simple actually not simple, this is my terminal config right now. So I am using this. Anyways, I have wrote some commands to that Starship prompt. So anyways, just close it, and you need to we need to paste this in that .config location which we opened previously. So just go actually before that, just copy this starship.toml file by right clicking and selecting copy. Just open the terminal which we are in .config, and then you need to type explorer.exe and then space dot. So the command is in the description as always. Scroll down and go to description, and also while going that while scrolling down, just click that red color subscribe button, and also like the video, and also make sure to share this with your friends, so you all can make your terminal as beautiful as mine. So just hit enter in here. It will open a explorer. So just paste that file. Let's clear out the terminal, and as you can see, it's showing something, but there are some blank icons. So to fix this error, actually it's not an error, to fix this problem, you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to under profile section, you need to select PowerShell, and then in here you need to go to scroll down and select additional settings, and in there you need to select appearance, and in here you need to go to that font face option and click on that drop down, and you need to select the font which we previously downloaded, which is Cascadia Cove Nerd font. Anyway, it's very hard to spell that font. Anyway, let's do the customization. So just save the file, close the window, and you can see there is a very beautiful terminal right there. So let's go to cd okay, Now we are in the home path. You can see now you have a very beautiful terminal. So if you want to change some of these icons, let's say you need to change this Windows icon, all you have to do is first you need to open this with a notepad. Actually you need to open the starship.toml file by going to .config folder in your user under your username. So just open that configuration file, which is starship.toml, and in here you need to scroll down and let's see, yeah, here it is. So in the hostname tag you can see there is some random actually unknown icon. So it's the icon which is appearing as Windows logo. So let's say you need to turn this into something else. So first we need to browse the icon. So open your favorite web browser and then type nerdfonts.com/cheat sheet. I entered the wrong URL, I think. So anyways, let's search it. Nerd font cheat sheet. So as always, the website link is in description. So scroll down and go to the link, go to the website. So let's in their website you can see there is a section called cheat sheet. So just click on that. So something like this will be open. So as always, the link is in description. So you can click on that link and come to this website location. So you need to search for icon in here. So let's say I need to search for something as laptop. So you can see there are several icons. I need to copy this one. So to copy this, you can see there are 3 options. So just copy the first one, which is icon. So just click on that icon and then go to your notepad and then highlight that. Under the host name you can see format and then that unknown icon, and then just paste it by pressing Ctrl V. By clicking this, it will automatically copy the icon to your clipboard. So just press Ctrl V by selecting that unknown icon and hit enter, hit Ctrl and S again. And if I clear the terminal, you can see the icon of my hostname has been changed to something like, actually something like a laptop. So you can see, I think you can see it clearly. So that's how you can change a character of this prompt, actually an icon of this prompt. Actually let's make a space, another space, and hit Ctrl S, clear. So you can see there is a space between them. So let's delete that space and again save it. So you can see that's how you can customize your PowerShell prompt in Windows 10. So you can learn those configuration methods and you can make an awesome terminal which is better than mine. So if you make something, created something like that, make sure to tell it in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. So as always, make sure to share this with your friends to make all of your terminals very beautiful. And if you guys hope I'll need to bring more videos like this, make sure to tell it in the comment section. So if this video is helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, I have a big surprise to you guys. So to know that, make sure to hit subscribe. The surprise will be coming soon. So make sure to hit subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified. Anyways, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.